Designers, creators, innovators, engineers, manufacturers. Join the transformation at Realize Live. This is our moment to come together and co-create a sustainable future, driven by business value, human-centered innovation, and the commitment of the entire global Siemens user community to make the impossible a reality. Join the transformation. Connect, collaborate, and learn about the topics you care about the most from extraordinary companies who are at the forefront of technology, creating sustainable change. Experience Realize Live 2022 from anywhere, in person or virtually. Engage with the larger-than-ever global user community of world changers, innovators, makers and shakers.
The best part of Realize Live for me is sharing the innovation and the advancing technology to the industry and being able to build those networks and learn from those success stories.
Seeing all the demos and learning about all of the things that are coming and getting an understanding for what's going to be new about the new versions of software.
It's all about collaboration, it's all about meeting people, it's all about community and interaction.
To gain invaluable insights that we couldn't find elsewhere.
For all this and more, join the transformation at Realize Live. Let's co-create a better world.